Hi, this is Smita Dev and welcome to Get Curried. Today I'd like to show you a recipe that I have learned from my mother-in-law. It's a traditional recipe from Kolhapur, but each family has its own version of making it, and that's the Keema Gori Biryani or Pulao. So for that, I've got a kg of keema over here, mutton keema. I'm going to just take this and put it in a plate. So in this keema, we're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste, half a cup of freshly chopped coriander leaves, 3 tablespoons of Kolhapuri masala. The recipe for this masala is going to be given in the description, so do not worry. Then we're going to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder to this, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and some salt. And I'm going to mix this well. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to simply blend the keema with all these spices in a mixer grinder. The consistency should be slightly pasty, not much. Now let's roll the mince into lemon-sized balls and just place them here. So here in a kadai, I've kept lots of oil to heat, about a cup of oil, and we're going to fry these keema balls in this. And I'm going to cover this and leave it just like that for at least 20 minutes on a high flame. Now after 20-25 minutes, you can see that these keema balls are getting cooked in their own juices as well. So I prefer to fry the mince balls in this method so that not much oil is used. Now while this is getting done, just let's continue with the pulao. For that, I'm going to heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 2 bay leaves, 2 pieces of star anise, 6 green cardamoms, 5 cloves and about 10 peppercorns, and 2 inches of cinnamon stick. I'm going to add 2 large onions that I have sliced, and we're going to saute these onions till they are soft, pink and translucent. The onions are soft and pink. We're going to add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste, 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of Kolhapuri masala, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. And now we're going to just mix this and fry it for a minute or so. To this, I'm going to add 600 grams of basmati rice, which I had soaked for almost an hour. We have to saute this for a minute or two. To this, I'm going to add a liter of mutton stock. If you do not have mutton stock, you can use water as well. A cup of coconut milk. Gently stir this. Add the salt, some coriander leaves that are finely chopped, and finally the keemyache gole. I'm adding half the oil as well from the fried keema balls. And now we're going to cover this and cook it on a medium to low flame till the rice is done. I'd kept this to cook for almost 20 to 25 minutes. The rice is almost done. Just let's check it. The pulao has turned nice and moist. Let's check if the rice is done. Yeah, this is done. Let's remove it in a serving bowl. I'll garnish this with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. And our keema gori pulao is ready to be served with a lovely onion raita. This will taste amazing. Do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Current.